prepared 7 pans filled with water in order to remove the ice cubes. First, he placed an ice cube flat, placed 4 ice cubes around the top to form a square, and sprinkled snow and water around the edges so that an airtight seal was created. Next, he cut an ice cube in half and added water to the snow behind it to strengthen the seal. He prepared more ice cubes, poured more water over the snow, and smoothed the edges with a hot metal tool to perfect the front seal. Now he could safely put in vegetables and various foods while putting the refrigerator logo on the fridge.